Hello everyone, this is Robert from G10 America. Today I'm going to show you how to band lock on the G10 Model 5 and Model 6 devices. So first thing you do is start with opening up your web browser. You can use Chrome, you can use Firefox or Edge. And in the URL section, replace what's there and type in 192.168.2.1 and then hit enter. You'll be prompted for a username and password. They are both admin, ADMIN. Great. Now we're in the main interface of the page. So here we got some poor signal going on channel 12. And we want to increase the signal or at least try and attempt to see if there's any other better channels out there. So from the main screen, which is what you'll log into, you'll click on 4G or 5G modem setting. Now in this screen, you'll see your APN and other information. You're going to focus solely on band. So I want to see if there's a better channel with some better reception. So I'm going to put in my channels that I think that will work or that I've looked up in the area. So for AT&T, since it's an AT&T SIM, I'm going to try channels 5. I'm going to try channel 14, channel 17, and let's put channel 66. Every time you put another channel number in, you put a colon in between it. So I have 5:14:17:66. This modem will not look for any other channels but these channels that I'm telling it to look for now. So once I've gone ahead and entered my channel numbers in, I'll go ahead and hit apply. Now when doing band locking, most likely you'll have to reboot the modem. But we're going to go back to the main page. And then we're going to click on the 5G icon in the center of the page. And it actually took, and we are now on channel 66 with carrier aggregation of 66 and 14. Now keep in mind, when you do this kind of configuration, you can break the carrier aggregation from other towers in neighboring areas. So please keep that in mind. Also, you could tell that our signal is pretty poor on channel 66, even though we're on 5G, but this is NSA 5G, which means that it's dependent on LTE to work. It is not standalone 5G. So I am on 66, the signal doesn't look good, so I'm going to go back to my 5G and 4G modem settings and say 66 doesn't look good. I want to take 66 out of the equation. I just erase it. Now, if I want all channels to be looked for, then I'll just erase all my entries in here. I'll just wipe it out. But since I want to just focus on 5, 14, and 17 now, I'll go ahead and put those numbers in. Remember, every time you put a number, a channel number, put a colon in between those. All right, so I'm hitting apply. Excellent. And let's go see where we're at now. And we're on channel 17 now. So, and you can see the signal improve pretty greatly from 118 that it was at just a few seconds ago. We're now at 104 and 105. So sometimes channel locking does make a difference. On the G10 5 and 6, keep in mind, the less channels you put in, the less chance you'll have to acquire a carrier aggregation signal. And instead you'll be doing just a standard duplex LTE channel. So carrier aggregation is really important, the bonding of LTE channels in an area to help give you the best speed possible. But again, this is how you change the this is how you change the band locking on the G10.5 or G10.6 modem. Again, 5G, 4G modem settings, and I'm just going to wipe out all the channels now. Hit apply. And when I wipe out all the channels in that entry, that means the modem is open to all channels and it is not locked to just one. Okay, and now we're going to go back to the main screen. And let's see what we got. We're still on 17 now. It probably hasn't shifted yet because 17 probably seems comfortable for this router. But once 17 gets busy, it will handshake off to a different tower to see if it can help out. So that's how you do band locking. Very important. It's good for any carrier. And make sure you have the right channel guide for what you're working with. Thank you so much.